Good morning, students. Let's solve more questions of the AP which are related to some formula. Question number 1. If the sum of first P terms of an AP is the same as the sum of its Q terms, then show that the sum of its first P plus Q terms is 0. Students, you can see sum of first P terms equals to the sum of first Q terms. SP equal to SQ given. SP can be written P upon 2, 2A plus P minus 1D. SQ can be written Q upon 2, 2A plus Q minus 1D. Both side upon 2 is there and both are in common, so 2 will be cancelled. P 2A, let's open the inside bracket, PD minus D. Here also small bracket, QD minus D. Correct, students? Then open this bracket, 2AP plus P square D minus PD. This side 2AQ plus Q square D minus QD. Now students, like terms to be taken one side. So 2AQ I am going to take this side and P square D minus PD will transpose this side. So 2AQ will be negative. 2AP minus 2AQ equals to P square D will be negative plus Q square D minus PD will come this side, become positive, and QD will remain as it is. Now students, you can see what is common here, 2A, what left inside the bracket, P minus Q. What is the common here, student? Minus D is common, P square and minus Q square, because we have taken minus common, students. That's why the sign of Q square D will be changed. Okay students, now what is the common here? D, what represented? P minus Q. Now students, you can see 2A, P minus Q equals to, now students, P square minus Q square identity we can use here, A square minus B square, A plus B, A minus B, minus D, P plus Q, P minus Q, plus D, P minus Q. So you can see in this part dP minus Q is common and we are going to take minus also. So minus dP minus Q is common. What left here? P plus Q left, student, and its sign will be changed because we have taken minus common. So minus, the whole has come common. Now what left here? Nothing. It means we have to write here 1. So P minus Q both sides will be cancelled. 2A equals to minus D and P plus Q minus 1. Minus bracket P plus Q minus 1D. Student, now we have to find out the sum of its first P plus Q terms. SP plus Q formula. In the formula of Sn, we can write P plus Q at the place of N. N upon 2 means P plus Q upon 2. 2A plus N minus 1D, P plus Q minus 1D. Now student, we are going to put value of 2A from equation number 1. So at the place of 2A we have to write minus P plus Q minus 1D, minus P plus Q minus 1D, and this P plus Q minus 1D will be same. So both side P plus Q minus 1D and sign will be different, plus minus, so whole will be cancelled. P plus Q upon 2 into 0 equals to 0. The sum of P plus Q terms is 0, student. Okay students. Now student, second question. If the sum of m terms of an AP to the sum of n terms of the same AP is m square is to n square, prove that the ratio of its mth term and nth term is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. Sm upon Sn. Students, sum ratio is given to us. Sum of m terms to the sum of n terms of the same AP. Sm upon Sn. At the place of n we can write m, student, m upon 2, 2a plus m minus 1d. Here n is given, the same formula will be here, n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. 2 to cancel, student. The ratio is given to us. What is the ratio? m square is to n square. So at the place of Sm upon Sn we can write m square upon n square equal to m 2a plus m minus 1d. n 2a plus n minus 1d. So 1m 1m, similarly 1n 1n will be cancelled. What left here? m multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1d, cross multiplication, student, or n multiplied by 2a plus m minus 1d. Let us open the bracket. 2am, m multiplied by n minus 1 into d, m bracket n minus 1 into d. This side 2an plus n m minus 1d. Now students, like terms we can take one side, 2am, 2an. So 2an will transfer this side and m n minus 1d will transfer this side. So 2am minus 2an equals to, it will be negative, student, minus m n minus 1 into d, n m minus 1 d will remain as it is. Now student, you can see d is common in both, so we are taking d common here. What left? Minus n minus 1 plus n m minus 1, and this side, student, 2a is common, m minus n. 2a bracket m minus n equals to d. Open the bracket, minus mn plus mn minus n. m and mn cancelled, student. So this m minus n will come in denominator, both will be cancelled. 2a equals to d. Correct. Now students, we have to find out the ratio of its mth term to the nth term. And we have to prove this. So am upon an we have to prove, student. Am formula a plus m minus 1d. An formula a plus n minus 1d. Putting d equals to 2a from equation 1, student. So at the place of d we are going to put 2a. A plus m minus 1 2a. A plus n minus 1 2a. Am upon a will be cancelled, student. 1 plus m minus 1 2, 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. A cancelled, student. Now open the bracket here. 1 plus 2m minus 2, 1 plus 2n minus 2. 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Am upon an equals to 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. Okay students? Okay then, have a nice day.